Hi guys, today we're going to talk about secondary dominance. So the idea is pretty simple. In functional harmony, there is only one dominant chord per scale, the fifth degree. But the thing is that in addition to this primary dominant, any of the 6 remaining chords can also become dominant chords, secondary dominant chords. So the most common secondary dominant chord there is the 5 of the 5, or the dominant of the dominant. So for instance, in the key of C, that would mean turning a D minor 7 into a D7. So the second degree becomes a 2-7, and we use this chord to approach or to target the dominant. And of course, we could go backwards and approach this D7 by its own dominant. So what's the dominant of D7? A7, of course. And we could go on and target this A7 with its own dominant, E7, etc., etc. You get the idea. That way, following the circle of fifth, we can cover the whole major scale reorganized from B to F. But the real question is, why use this chord? What does it do? Well, we use secondary dominance when we want to increase the harmonic motion, when we want to enhance the harmonic flow. And this is due to the fact that with the dominant comes the triton, and with the triton, we talked about this, comes harmonic instability. When we hear dominant, it's like a question mark. We want to know what's coming next. Might be the tonic chord, might be something else, but something's definitely in motion here. So when we hear several dominant chords in a row, we sort of bounce from one chord to another. See? We feel that the harmonic progression is definitely moving forward. It accelerates things, in other words. So the rules to apply this device are pretty simple. It works with every note of the chord except the fourth or the major seventh, because we cannot have a triton and these two notes in the melody at the same time. And of course, it works perfectly when you have a harmonic sequence. So let's take the song On Leaves and let's say that we've played the first A. Now we want to change things a little bit. We want to increase the relationship between the chords. We want to boost the harmonic progression. So of course we're going to use secondary dominance. First we have a C minor 7. Alright, so the question is, can we turn this C minor 7 into C7? Yes, we can. Because this E flat, the minor third in the melody, could become the flat 10 of the dominant. So we could have a C7, we could add, let's say, the sharp 11, and still have the flat 10 in the melody. See? Next we go to the F7, maybe we play the sus4 before. Then, next question, can we change this B flat major here into a B flat 7? Yes, we can, because we have the third in the melody. See? And now we go to E flat major. So the question now, can we turn this E flat major 7 into an E flat 7 or E flat 9? No, we cannot, because we have, like we said, the 7th in the melody, right? So we have to keep the major chord. Next, A minor 7 flat 5. Can we change this A minor 7 flat 5 into a dominant, the dominant of the dominant, because this is the final 2-5? Yes, we can, and that's what Bill Evans did 30 years ago, right? Maybe 40 years ago now. So what do? We consider this C, the third of the chord, like the flat 10 of the dominant. See? Or, so this is an A13 with a flat 10. See? You'll find detailed information about secondary dominance in the book on page 131, and you can train yourself and do the exercises on page 134, and the answers to these questions are on page 149, so you have pretty much everything you need in there. Thanks for watching. Bye.